Introduction to Azure Synapse CLI. Azure Synapse CLI is a command line interface that allows you to manage and maintain your Azure Synapse Analytics resources from the command line. This guide provides a comprehensive overview of Azure Synapse CLI and its usage. Setting up Azure Synapse CLI. To use Azure Synapse CLI, you need to install it first. You can install it using pip install Azure Synapse CLI. After installation, you need to log into your Azure account using Az Login. Then you can set the default subscription using Az Account Set. Understanding Azure Synapse CLI commands. Azure Synapse CLI provides various commands to manage and maintain your Azure Synapse resources. These commands include Synapse Workspace Create to create a new workspace, Synapse Workspace List to list all workspaces, Synapse Spark Pool Create to create a new Spark Pool, and Synapse SQL Pool Create to create a new SQL Pool. Working with Azure Synapse CLI. To work with Azure Synapse CLI, you need to navigate to the directory where you want to run the commands. Then you can use the commands to create and manage your Azure Synapse resources. For example, you can use Synapse Workspace Create to create a new workspace, and then use Synapse Spark Pool Create to create a new Spark Pool in that workspace. Best practices for using Azure Synapse CLI. When using Azure Synapse CLI, it is recommended to use the latest version of the CLI. You should also use the Az Login command to log into your Azure account and set the default subscription using Az Account Set. Additionally, you should use the Synapse Workspace Create command to create a new workspace, and then use the Synapse Spark Pool Create and Synapse SQL Pool Create commands to create new Spark and SQL pools. Conclusion. Azure Synapse CLI is a powerful tool that allows you to manage and maintain your Azure Synapse Analytics resources from the command line. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can install and use Azure Synapse CLI to create and manage your Azure Synapse resources. Remember to always use the latest version of the CLI and follow best practices to ensure the security and integrity of your Azure Synapse resources.